Wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa Magoti ukoretwo uri hatikaini kuumana mathina kihiri ari ni hamwe na waagi wa kigina kiiganu gya kurugamirira ruhonge ruru kwagararwo kwa watho wa Magoti na kuingirirwo kwa acirithania.
Out of the emerging challenges facing the court's efforts, and we are pursuing solutions to streamline the operations of the small claims courts.
Kulingana na mucirithia munene CJ Koome makoretwo magithukirwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 20 ya gwitia ati ni nini kuona magiriirwo gukorwo makiheo ciringi bilioni 43 niguo gukinyaniria mautungata mao.
You know, our last budget we had requested for 43 billion according to the needs of the judiciary. Human resource capacity, the number of judges, magistrates and staff who can be able to serve Kenya all over, the infrastructure development and other tools that we require to serve Kenyans. We had requested for 43 billion, but we were able to get 20 billion.
Koome augite ati ni undu ukoretwo ugithararia wiyathi wa Magoti undu umwe na wihokeku wao kuri muingi kuona makoretwo magikomaniria macira.
The judiciary continues to face the challenges of underfunding. Therefore, there is need for continued engagement with other actors and stakeholders to pursue constitutional and legal amendments to ring-fence the budget of the judiciary.
Oho, Koome ni asakaite wagarari wa matua ma Magoti ni afitha amwe anene thirikari undu uyu ukioneka kugomera nginyagia thirikari ya kaunti ino ya Nakuru.
Also taken notes with concern of the continued disobedience of court orders and denial of adequate resources to the judiciary to be able to undertake our work, and we urge Kenyans to continue supporting the independence of the judiciary.
No mengi wa mauritu maya Koome ni mwihuturo wao wa kurutithania na honge ingi cia thirikari niguo gukinyaniria utungata kuri muingi.
The judiciary will collaborate and work with other arms of government in the spirit of interdependence, reciprocation. However, the other arms of government must also respect the independence of the judiciary.